Hello, I am Kayla Henricks, a food nutrition and health educator with Nebraska Extension. Today, we are going to learn to make a 4-H cooking basics recipe file. Some reasons a recipe file might come in handy are you will get hungry. It's good to know how to make recipes you enjoy. Choosing a variety of foods can help you get the nutrients your body needs. By doing the menu planning now, it will make preparing a meal much easier. The supplies you will need include a 3-ring binder, cardstock or paper for the recipes, a paper punch, divider pages, a computer or a nice pen, a printer, and your favorite recipes. Gather your favorite recipes from cookbooks, recipe cards, magazines, or websites. Decide how you will organize the recipes. You might choose to put them by type of food, such as main dish, vegetable, breakfast, and dessert. You might organize them by preparation styles, such as grilled, baked, or made in the multi-cooker. You might organize them by the year you put them in the book. You might add them alphabetically by the recipe title or other organizational methods that you come up with. Then start writing or typing. Create the recipes on the pages. Each year, find delicious, nutritious recipes. Include 10 new recipes. Create a complete menu for each food item. Print the year on each recipe. Assemble the collection of recipes in a file or binder, and revise your index to include the newly added recipes. When planning your menu, utilize Choose My Plate. Focus on making healthy food and beverage choices from all the food groups. The first Choose My Plate area you'll want to include is fruits. Choose fresh, canned, frozen, dried, and whole fruit. Any fruit or 100% juice counts as a part of the fruit group. We need between 1 and 2 cups of fruit each day. Fruits include potassium, dietary fiber, vitamin C, and folate. Our second Choose My Plate area is vegetables. You need 1 to 3 cups of vegetables a day. Vegetables may be raw or cooked, fresh, frozen, canned, or dried. Vegetables may be whole, cut up, or mashed. Veggies are organized into 5 subgroups: dark green vegetables, starchy vegetables, red and orange vegetables, beans and peas, other vegetables. Any vegetable or 100% vegetable juice counts as a member of the vegetable group. Vegetables have many nutrients, such as potassium, dietary fiber, folate, vitamin A, and vitamin C. In the grain group, any food made from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or cereal grain would be included. They are divided into 2 groups, whole grains and refined grains. We need 3 to 8 ounces each day. At least half of the grains we consume should be whole grains. Grains include fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. Foods from the protein area include meat, poultry, seafood, beans and peas, eggs, processed soy products, nuts, and seeds. We need between 2 and 6.5 ounce equivalents each day. The nutrients from protein foods include protein, B vitamins, vitamin E, iron, zinc, and magnesium. Our final Choose My Plate group is dairy. Dairy includes milk, yogurt, and cheese. It also includes calcium fortified soy milk. A person needs between 2 and 3 cups each day. Dairy products have calcium, potassium, vitamin D, and protein. When thinking about a menu, Include a variety of flavors. Create a variety of hot and cold foods for each menu. Select foods of different colors and make it eye appealing. Plan foods that vary in size and shape. And create menus that are soft, chewy, crunchy, and a combination of those. When designing the menu, you will list your main entree, followed by a vegetable and/or fruit, bread, dessert, and beverage. Review your menu. You want to include flavor, color, texture, size and shape, and a variety of temperatures. Does your menu meet all of those criteria? Did you include the year? Let's hear how Ileana put together her recipe file.
Hi everyone, my name is Eliana, and I would like to take a few minutes to share with you my cooking notebook. First, I found a really cool 3-ring binder at Michael's craft store. It came with divider pages, which gave me a starting point on what recipes I might want to consider placing in my notebook. From there, I went through our family recipes that have been written on note cards or have been printed off the internet that we use all the time. Next, I spent time typing all the recipes into a Word document and then going back and double check that all your recipes have the correct information. For example, did you forget a baking time or ingredient? Make sure you have stated the serving size that your recipe makes and then the year you have created it. It's also important to place a menu on your recipe, taking into consideration what makes a balanced meal. I took the extra time to then go back through and make sure all of my recipes looked uniform and have the same font, style, and graphics. Finally, I decided I wanted my recipes printed on cardstock so they would hold up better. I then placed them in page protectors so they wouldn't get dirty while I was cooking. I hope this gives you an idea of what you can do for your recipe book.
Thank you, Ileana, for sharing your recipe file with us. Best of luck as you assemble your 4-H Cooking Basics recipe file. Go bananas and have fun.